board? Oh, what's your experience?
What?
What's your experience?
Kanin doon.
Pero nag-spell siya.
Natatanggal yan.
I don't know.
Pag hindi.
We don't have car. You need
Hindi,
a car.
not here. Sabi nga ni Sir Monet, yung horror movie, not in this place, sabi niya. No.
Si Mommy Bunny.
Ano talaga?
Ay. You get to each and
Tama, tagdadalawa tayo.
Dalawa lahati lang. Alam mo na ba,
Isa pa lang ako.
yung na-experience ko,
Tigdadalawa tayo.
Mamaya ko na lang kukunin.
naka-sideline ako.
Si Mami Bunny, kumain na?
Tapos ganyan.
Kanya na lang, ayoko na. Tama na to.
Conscious pa ako kasi bago
Hindi pa siya kumain.
ako. Biglang may
Ako na
nag-hug.
ako.
Kasi malaking tao. Nag-hug.
Biglang may nag?
Di na ako nag-hug. Wala.
Have you had bungot?
What?
Have you had experienced bungot?
Not yet.
It's so scary. Since I was a kid,
Ako din.
I felt it. You hear this. Like for me, when I get it, I hear this. So I try to get up. Straight into the bed. Like, you can't move.
Ako nakaganyan ako, kaya hindi ako tumutulog na
But they
nakaganyan.
did a
Tapos
research,
nakataas yung kamay.
They did a research in the
Tapos
States.
dumadagan talaga sa'yo.
What's this?
Ang bangungot. They did a research on it.
Acute pancreatitis ko, diba?
Or it's actually...
Usually ito yung mga ganyan, na-atake yung mga stress, pagod, etc. Yun din yung
So your
na-atake.
subconscious is fighting with your that's why you're like conscious but you can't control your body.
Pati daw yung daming kinain.
That's exactly it. That's the other one. If you eat a lot before you go to bed.
Before going to bed.
That's why hindi rin pwede talaga kain tulog.
Oo.
Hala, gawain ko yun. Alam mo ba't ako hindi nagagawin? Usually din may ingay, hindi nilalapitan.
Oo. Pinapakitaan.
Why?
Basta ito.
It is
Be a
sound.
ghost hunter.
Ito sa bahay.
Dili sa glass. Hindi sa baba.
Usually dito, gumanon ako. As
Get the power.
Oo.
Kaya na lang, batong nagana.
Ngayon lang.
Naganaan ako kaya.
Ngayon ka lang nakakita dito.
Hindi, maraming dahil na.
Marami.
Yung binangit na napaa, yung paa lang, ako dito.
Kahit saan dito.
Tapos yung babae, sa labas,
Babae, di ko pa nakakita.
nakatayo, curly hair. Oh, ganun yun nagad ako.
Bakit sa'yo?
Yun.
Hindi, curly short.
Takot kayo.
How about the little kids who talk to them? The little kids who can see the ghost, they talk to them by
I have a
themselves.
funny story. My cousin, we were all in the table. I couldn't see it. And then my tita,
Sobrang wala nang magawa.
for a while,
Kanukutin ko
she's
na
been
mga
talking to
sinisingit na
them. And that was the issue. Tapos biglang it was brought up in the dinner table. And then parang sabi, kinda, I know that, you're in that age where you're not sure about what you can see and what you can feel. And I understand that maybe you have a gift. I-explain niya kasi my cousin was like 10 years old. But just don't mind them because they're there. I know they may be your friends now, ganyan. But basta, you tell mama whenever you see something, there mama, look! So, kita ko, our father, what an
There, mama.
Tapos, after saying the second, she screamed, Mama, stop that, you're scaring her.
Hala!
Kids.
Kids, like
Some kids are like that.
yeah.
They'll be outside, they're playing with their ball,
Mama,
and they're
stop
playing with
that, you're
somebody.
scaring her away, she's my friend.
But some are actually real ghosts. They see it. The kid can actually
Ito the
see it.
worst. Bahay ng, tita ko. Meron sila isang bisita
Clearly!
na family. Bale, yung mag-asawa at yung anak nila, sila mga 5 years old, 6 years old. Kumakain kami. Pagkakatapos ng bagyo, may butas yung bubong nila. Kumakain kami. Yung bata nakaganon lang.
Alam ko na to story na.
Parang tito ako. Uy, kain ka na. Malalamig yung food mo. So, mo kumakain. Eh, paano kakain? Lagi siya nakatingin sa akin. Ay! Parang ako. Oo, ano yun? Pagtingin ko pa, hindi ko nakita siya. May mga stages kami, siya nakikita daw niya, may dugo. Yung itsura niyang namatay. Akin nakita ko lang, itim. So, bali yung pinaka, parang stage na parang starting stage.
How do those people go through stigmata?
Yung sa'yo?
Stigmata?
Oo, tayo ko.
Have you heard of that? Stigmata?
Nasira yung...
I didn't notice. I didn't notice.
Oo, ulit.
What's stigmata again?
That's where
I've heard of it lang.
people go through when
Grabe si Buboy, lakas!
insufficient again.
Ito mo pwede siya nagulat. Ha?
Nakaganon kaya ako.
Layo ko na. Hindi naman di ako makatayo tuloy. Hindi nakain ko yung mga buto-buto.
Ito.
Ganun talaga paminsan.
Before, my parents were part of CFC.
What's that?
Couples for... this was when we were Christian yet. Okay. And then, we had these weekly Sunday things where it was like family bonding na we go to mass together, ganyan. And then, it's all the cell, parang cell group, pero with the whole family. A tita of mine, she was she was like an atheist talaga. Solid. She didn't believe, and then we were, parang the head of the group was like, you wanna try this once, get to know him more. Get to know the Lord more, ganyan. So she went through mass, ganyan.
Tingnan mo talamin. Tingnan mo. Tol, tingnan mo talamin sa salamin.
Ano tawag dito?
Sabi ko kay Bogs, Bogs, may nakikita talaga ako malapit sa bed mo. Parang, sabi niya, parang good spirit. Sabi ko, uy, parang binabanta niya, uy, ang ganda naman. Sabi ko, pero yung mata nagilising.
Nakakailan mukha ni Bon talaga, flexible.
Good spirit, tapos yung mata nagilising.
Mukha niya din. Ang nilisik, parang
Glaring.
ganyan.
Wait, so there, she went through mass.
Huwag mo kong iwan.
It was so bongga. Because, no, seriously, it was so bongga because she was atheist. Ang nangyari, it was taken, the whole mass was videotaped. Trying to show her that she was able to go through it.
Hindi nga talaga.
Photographer, basta the works.
Hindi, alam, nakita ko siya dito. Pass by daan.
Tara,
Teka lang, inom ng tubig.
huwag mo kong iwan ha. Magpatugtog ka lang yun ng song ha. Huwag mo kong iwan. Papatayin kita. Papatayin talaga kita.